Hello, I'm MS Japan, Satomi Mitsuya. My advocacy is women empowerment because I myself went through divorce and financial hardship. My goal is not to give women money or temporary jobs. It's to help them with a mindset and skill to create income on their own sustainably, confidently, and with purpose. I dedicate myself to training, coaching, and public speaking. I'm doing it as a volunteer, not just as a business. This is my dharma. In the future, I would like to propose volunteer, especially giving talks to younger generations. If we truly want to change society, we must inspire younger generations before stereotypes take hold and help them develop the open mindset. I think it would be great if we could carry out these activities all over the world using the Unity platform, because we know the true meaning of unity. I got divorced when my son was 6. At first, I told myself I should live only for him, giving up everything, but I wasn't happy. I hope that when my son grows up, he will not say, "My mother dedicated her life to me," but rather, "My mom was always shining. I'm proud of her." I want to be that kind of mother and give hope to women like me. I'm not talented, I'm not rich. That's exactly why I'm perfect for this mission. My advocacy may not stand out or flashy, but everyone has a mission, and this is mine. I'm proud of the work I do, and I will continue to advocate to society in the way only I can.